Students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Yes, students, today we will start our next month's syllabus, and that is firstly we are going to do chapter time. Yes, these types of clocks you have seen at your homes. Yes, and I hope every one of you know how to see the time and how to tell the time. Yes, friends, so for this topic, take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Yes, friends, before starting the chapter time, just I want to tell you some examples that at what time what we do. Yes, look at the following activities, write down your timing of doing these. Yes, here you can see, here is in the morning. Yes, we wake up early in the morning, that is at 6 o'clock, and we play in the evening, that is 5 o'clock, and at night we are going to sleep, that is at 10 o'clock, and we go to school at 8 o'clock, and here is watching time of TV, that is 8 o'clock in the evening. And here you can see this is a morning time, at in the morning 8 o'clock we go to school, and here at the night, at the evening 8 o'clock we watch the TV, and in the evening 4 o'clock we study. You all people do the homework at that time. Yes, that is 4 o'clock in the evening. Yes, friends, now the different type of activities are done at different times. Yes, now how to tell the time by watching the clock, and how to tell the time. Yes, you can see there are 12 numbers on the face of a clock. There are 12 numbers on the face of a clock. Yes, there are two hands on a clock, short hand and long hand. Mostly there are two hands, but in some clocks you can see three hands also. Yes, here we will see the clock with three hands. Yes, the short hand is called the hour hand. The short hand is called the hour hand. It takes 1 hour to move from the number to the next number. Thus, it takes 12 hours to complete one round, and 24 hours make one day. In one day, we can say there are 24 hours. The long hand is called the minute hand. Short hand is called the hour hand, and the long hand is called the minute hand. It completes one round in 1 hour. Long hand completes one round in 1 hour. Yes, and short hand completes one round in 12 hours. Yes, here you can see in this clock there are the three hands, and here I will make you clear that which hand is called with what name. Yes, here it is the short hand, it is called the hour hand. It is called the hour hand. We already studied regarding this. Short hand is called the hour hand. Yes, after that you can see two more hands in the clock. One is this long hand. Yes, it is called minute hand. And one you can also see one more hand in the clocks, and this hand moves very fastly in the clock. Yes, the hand that moves very much fastly, that is called the second hand. That is called the second hand. There are three hands. The shortest hand is called hour hand, and the longest hand is called minute hand, and one hand that moves very much with very much speed, that is called second hand. Yes, now some clocks and watches have a very thin long hand moving faster than the minute hand. Here you can see this second hand, it moves faster than the minute hand. This is called second hand. It completes one round in 1 minute. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. These are the important things to remember. See here again, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Means in 1 day there are 24 hours. Yes, and even 1 hour there are 60 minutes. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes. When 60 minutes will be completed, then we will say 1 hour has been passed. Then 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Means we will say that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and whenever the 60 seconds will pass, we will say that 1 minute has been passed. Yes, students, now see some more examples that how to tell the time. Yes, look at the adjacent clock. This is the adjacent clock. Yes, then we can see that our hand is slightly past 2. Our hand is, this is short hand, this is our hand, ये 2 से थोड़ा सा पास कर गई है. Yes, it is in between of 2 and 3. And students, one thing keep in your mind always that whenever कोई भी हैंड 2 और 3 जैसे कि कोई भी 2 नंबर्स के बीच में हो तो हमने हमेशा स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर पिछले नंबर पे ही जाना है. Yes, here you can see the R hand is in between of 2 and 3. So how many R's we will take? We will take 2. जब कभी भी 2 नंबर्स के बीच में R हैंड होगा देन हमने हमेशा पिछले नंबर को ही देखना है. Yes, the R hand is at 2. We will suppose that the R hand is at 2 and the minute hand is at 4, but exactly it is not at 4. Yes, now see how we will tell the time. The R hand is slightly past 2, the minute hand is at 4, and you can see here in every number there are having 5 small lines, means the gap of these numbers with from one another it is of 5. Yes, it is of 5, means this is the starting point. From here when we move to 1 there are the 5 minutes, when we move to 10 there are the when we move to 2 there are the 10 minutes, when we come to 3 there are 15 minutes. Why these are like this? Because every number is having the gap of 5. And when we move to 4 here will be the 20 minutes, here will be the 20 minutes. Now here you can see shorthand is on 2, it is in between of 2 and 3, and I told you that we will suppose that it is on 2. And long hand, minute hand, it is on 4. Yes, means there are the 20 minutes. So what time will be there? Yes, what time will be there? 20 minutes past 2, and we will write that 2:20. The time is 2:20. See here carefully, the time is 2:20. Yes, 2 hours 20 minutes. Yes, now see one more example. Look at the adjacent clock. Here you can see one more clock is there, and here the R hand is at 8 and it is between 7 and 8. As I told you, when the R hand is in between of 2 numbers then we will assume that it is on small number. Yes, previous number we will assume it. Yes, now here is 7 and here you can see it is on 11. Minute hand is on 11. Yes, and whenever we have to tell the minutes, जिस भी नंबर पे मिनट हैंड होगा हम उस नंबर को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. Yes, it is on 11, we will multiply it by 5, it will be 55. Now what the time is? R hand is on 7. Yes, and minute hand is on 55. It is on 11, we will multiply it by 5. Then what is the time here? 7:55. Then what is the time? 7:55. Yes, and here you can see one more clock is there, and here you can see the time, the R hand, it is in between of 12 and 1. So we will assume that it is on 12. As I told you, जब भी R hand 2 numbers के बीच में होगा तो हमने पिछले नंबर पे जाना है. Yes, it is on 12, so time will be, R's will be 12. And here is minute hand is on 5, then we will multiply it by 5. 5 5s the 25. Then minutes are 25 and R's are 12. So what is the time? 12:25. The time is 12:25. Yes students, hope all of you have understood all these concepts. Now we will do the sums of exercise 10.1 given on your book. Yes students, now exercise 10.1. Which types of sums are given here? You can see carefully. Draw hands on the clock and write the time. Long hand is at 6. Long hand is at 6. We will draw one long hand, and the long hand is at 6. Yes, like this we will draw. Short hand is between 2 and 3. Short hand is between 2 and 3. Yes, short hand is between 2 and 3 and long hand is on 6. Short hand 2 और 3 के बीच में है, so we will assume it is on 2. Yes, and here minute hand is on 6. We will multiply it by 5. 6 5 is the 30. Then what is the time? Time is 2:30. The time is 2:30. Yes, in the same way you will do this sum. This sum you will do by yourself students. Yes, and after that we will move to sum number 2. Look at each clock, write early, on time or late. अर्ली मीन्स जल्दी, ऑन टाइम मीन्स टाइम पे, सही टाइम पे, एंड लेट मीन्स टाइम के बाद, मीन्स आफ्टर द टाइम लेट. यस. नाउ सी लंच इज़ एट 12:15. लंच का टाइम क्या है? 12:15 PM, दोपहर के 12:15. यस. टीना ईट्स एट. टीना का लंच करने का टाइम क्या है? What is the time here? Here you can see our hand is in between 11 and 12, so it will be 11. Yes, and minute hand is on 9. 9 multiplied by 5, it will be 45. Yes, lunch का time जो है that is 12:15. Tina eats at 11:45. We will see the time on this clock and we will write that what is the time? 11:45. The time of the lunch is 12:15, but Tina eats at 11:45. So Tina is taking the lunch early, on time or late. Yes, as already you have understood, time ये था but उसने time से पहले lunch कर लिया, so she is taking the lunch early. She is taking the lunch early. Yes, now here you can see school left out at 3:30 PM. Yes, school left out at 3:30 PM and Venu leaves at, now what is the time here? You can see the time is here 4 o'clock. स्कूल छोड़ने का टाइम दैट इज़ 3:30, बट वेनु ने कितने बजे स्कूल छोड़ा? 4 o'clock. Yes, then वेनु is late. He has left the school late. Yes students, hope you have understood all these sums carefully. Yes, so you will do these sums in your book only. Yes, understand the concept properly and do these sums in your book only. Yes, have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you a lot.